This is an overview of how to install a recessed lighting fixture, particularly parts that are made by Tripar. In a drop ceiling tile, as we have here, the hole will have been pre-drilled according to the manufacturer's requirements in the position as per the architect or the lighting designer's plan. Once that's done, the fixture will be brought into place over the hole, and we're working here above a ceiling in a T-bar suspended ceiling. The bar hangers are extended until they fill the span. The plaster frame is located over the hole that was pre-cut. As you can see, this is a bit of an interesting installation and often encountered by electricians. Here we have T-bars, so the notches on the bar hangers rest on the T-bar. The other end, we've got this wooden panel for some reason. So in a way, it's a good demonstration because I can show you, if you don't have a T-bar, then you can use this hole and install the bar hanger through the screw mounting hole. One on one side and same thing on the other side. So it's all located in place. Typically, your power cord would come in through one of the knockout holes over here. If the electrician needs access to that, he can either remove the inner junction box cover or the outer one, which is typically fully closed. This is a bit of a faux installation because the driver is not installed. This inner junction box cover has a series of cutouts and holes for a specific driver, and typically these are customized depending whatever the driver the manufacturer is using. And the driver is typically, not always, but often and preferred to be installed on this exposed face of the inner junction box cover. Then there's low voltage wires that will be coming out of that driver through the hole in the plaster frame of the ceiling, so the fixture can later be installed from the bottom side of the ceiling. The other reason why most installers and electricians prefer to have the driver exposed on this face is because if it ever burns out and the hole is large enough, they can reach their hand in here, unsnap the cover, bring it down through the ceiling, change the driver, and put it back up. We're now on the room side of the ceiling. The low voltage power cord will be coming through. The installer would come back when the room is all finished, connect it, and secure it into the ceiling.